What is up, guys? It's Ever Occupied here, and welcome to a brand new video on Train Taxi. Okay, so I haven't played this game in a very long time, and hopefully it loads. Yeah. So last time I played, there wasn't a VIP or a gym machine. I mean, the game just got an update though, so just see how it runs. So it's still basically the same thing as it was last time I played this. Just go through the train, collect the people, and turn the volume down a lot, because that's very loud. Let's see, I have a decent amount. Okay, so there were more trains put into the game. From what I know, there are more trains in the game. That's a good thing. And there's still keys, so since the last time I played, I don't think they added much in the fact of like gameplay. Cause it seems like the same gameplay. Still prompts for ads or no ads, and then gives me an ad. Cause that's what it does every single time. I'm gonna eventually start just skipping the ads, but I just had to make sure that they didn't change that factor of the game where it just gives me ad after ad after ad. Cause that really made the game fun. Yeah, I definitely love ads. Then the easiest thing in the world. Now, who would have thought I would have said that? That's not the fact that every time I played, I said if anybody fails this, they're just bad at gaming. That's not actually true, because this is actually harder to complete. And I believe if you like die one time, you don't restart, you just get as much as you collected. And that's great. So just collect the people. You, and you too. Now I see why people say I make corny jokes. Jeez. Okay, so I'm not gonna get VIP because it's a waste of money for real. And seeing that, I don't want to be one of them YouTubers that just waste a bunch of money. I'm not gonna buy it. Well, this is like really beneficial. Win a new train by watching an ad. Sure, why not? I didn't really even get an ad. Okay. It's pretty good. There was just pumping me with a picture. See, this game doesn't really bring the commentary that I need. Cause I think I might have a problem with silence. But this is like easy and not as tricky as it should be. They should really make this game a lot more difficult, but I'm only on like the first 70 stages. I'm still in the first 100 stages. And seeing that this game is so addictive, I'm surprised I'm only at the first 70, so. Collect 60 coins and multiply it by 5 by watching an ad. Can I watch an ad to remove all ads? Oh, crap, not this game again. I hate this game. It's not the game, it's the amount of ads I get for it. So anybody who watch, please do me a big favor and never download Toon Blast. Cause I'm never going to. I almost did it once. Then I thought like, it's a horrible game. And let's go to the chess room, cause can I get lucky? I've been going for a long time. Will I get lucky to get a train? Nope. Of course not. And I just noticed they have gems in this game now too, which makes a lot of sense. And that's a win. Really easy. Jeez, I'm acting like a cocky bastard. Just more evidence on why you should never download Toon Blast. Download Toon Blast, I'll be very disappointed in you. And if you don't leave a like and subscribe, I'll also be very disappointed in you. So do you want me to be disappointed in you? If not, then like and subscribe. Very easy. Ooh. This is new. It's like some type of arcade. I think that's what a gym arcade is, but it's not as like, how do I say this? It's aggravating as like leaving your house and going to an arcade. Oh, you can triple them, not hextuple them as you can do the coins. Hextuple is a word, right? Let's see what's in the gym machine. I want as many gems as I can possibly get. Yeah, I can't get that much anyways. Okay, so with the gems, what can I do? See, can I get more trains with gems? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. And you really only need... Oh yeah, I forgot it raises each time. Let's just go for 30 gems ready in 2 hours. Might just do another video in 2 hours. So I actually tried to upload a video on Fallout earlier. Didn't work. Cause my recording kept getting messed up because I had things to do while I was recording, which is very stupid. But you know the struggles of life. That was super easy. Is it usually that easy? I don't think so. It's not usually that easy. See, you hex triple it. Because 5 is a hexagon, right? So I think it's hex triple. A VIP train. Try it for free. Oh, it looks like Pikachu. It is Pikachu. It's pretty cool. I might think about VIP, but still, I'm not finna waste money for no reason. I'm just gonna sit here and admire that all of these things open up. So if I start going while one of these are open, any passengers are going bye-bye. Bye, passengers. Crap, I did not just do that. I wonder if I can still use the train. Or is it gonna swap me to my original train? Jeez, bro, I don't want to see your face like that again. That was creepy. You're a creepy dude. You're a creepy dude. course I don't want to play this. I don't want to play anything with Blast. Oh, I don't got Pikachu no more. I should have won. Why was I playing games? I need to stop playing games. I shouldn't be playing these games. Oh, it's the key. It's the key. The key. The key. Hey, and these videos don't do really good on YouTube, actually. I'm just noticing that. When I try about watching it, not this time. And I got an ad. Okay, so this ad is weird. Oh, that it wasn't that he had bad breath. Frugal. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. Oh, she just snatched his phone. No, she finna go through his messages real quick. 0 to 100 real quick. Nah, YouTube probably gonna get me for copyright if I just sit there and watch that, because YouTube is like, just... It's YouTube. What do you think? What do you think I'm gonna say? Please don't demonetize me. That's what I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna go until I can... until I get the next key, I guess. I mean, I have to set goals for myself on when to stop, or I'm just gonna be playing all day, because that's what I do. Not like I have another job or anything. That was easy. That was really easy. Why was it so easy? Oh, a key right there. No, I'm gonna at least open the chest and also complete this level. Or not. Everybody on the train can die. Not my problem. I don't want to encounter a glitch or anything in this game. Because there are a few glitches in this game. Not many. There are a few, if you believe me. If you don't, no hard feelings. Crap. And that's a win. 71 people. Oh, no ads for $1.99. No. I like ads. Ads are good for the body. Best reward is a train. I did not get the first try. I did not get the second try. And I did not get the third try. But that's going to end this video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to know when I post future content. And remember to stay in school for all your January seatbelts. Goodbye.